Today, let's recreate the Chicana makeup. This is my reference for today. For the details ng look nila, skin is so matte. They're using a dark lip liner, brows, sharp wing eyeliner. Let's try. Mabahay na lang tayo sa powder to make it matte. Please don't mind yung mga redness, guys. This summer talaga parang it's not for me. The allergies, they're so crazy. That's why I'm very, very patient with my routine this summer. Ang init talaga and maglalagay talaga ako ng mga calming lotion and everything. On the usual points where I put my bronzer. I love this base talaga. Sobrang healthy niya tingnan sa skin. Guys, please influence me with a local bronzer you think na parehas ng formula ng Patrita. I really love this bronzer talaga. For the nose, we'll be using the same. Pen natin siya from here. Yung tira, ikakalat ko na lang din dito sa eyelids ko. Naglagay na ako ng contact lens in the shade C1. Gusto kong lagyan dito para lang mas ma-brighten pa siya. Let's try. We're still the right rock about. Parang wala sila masyadong blush. So, ito na lang ulit yung gagamitin ko. The Rosy Pink. For the sake ng look na to, let's extend this here. Concealer. Para mapag-reverse contour tayo ng face. Brow gel. Para lang ma-pinch ko ng maayos. Brush down natin. Pinch. Ano natin siya. Set it with a translucent powder. Tightline using easy. Ito nalilito ako sa eyelids nila. Some are brown, yung iba wala. Like, using this Can Make palette, kukunin ko lang itong pinaka-lighter. Parang light lang siya pero it has a pigment. Pearl ng blushes. Mixing this two. Done. Sana effect siya. Add this color sa under eye. Para medyo cohesive tingnan sa eyes. Also here sa outer ng eyelids. Bring it outside. Add a black wing eyeliner. I draw a line here first, then connecting everything. The center of their face is brightened. Up it here, the center ng face. And pwede pa natin siyang i-buff later in case hindi natin nagustuhan yung pagkaputi niya. Using the nude pink in this palette. Hindi ko makita ibang brushes ko, so I'll still be using a dense brush to sculpt. Balikan natin yung nose. Using this powder foundation, inner ng eyelids. Also dito, parang medyo focus natin yung white. And sa brow bone, let's add. I hope hindi sila mag-cakey, but okay naman sila at this point. I'll go for this combo. It's actually a bit darker pa. Concealer.
Atrás do outro. Vamos embora! Sei que você fez o